Hi guys, we're Owen, Lynn, and Maggie of Van Trekking Lifestyle.
A year ago, we bought this Revel in the hopes that it would take us to some epic places.
It kind of has, but it kind of has not. We've learned that we really love it as a daily driver, don't we?
We do.
And in today's video, we're going to look back on 2021 and some of the places that we've taken this van and the things we've been able to do with it.
But we're going to let you ride along with us as we show you how we use it as a daily driver.
First stop, Lowe's, to return a doorknob.
Anything wrong with it?
Nothing at all. We just bought it and didn't need it. Side over monkey.
Did you get taken back?
Yeah. First to do done, and next stop, return one of my Christmas gifts.
Are you feeling better, Maggie? So nice to get in your seat. So how'd that go?
Perfect.
All right.
Stop number 2 is finished. Return is on its way back to Zappos.
Yeah. Sometimes shoes just don't fit when you order them, so.
Stop number 3 today is Elkin, North Carolina, where we have to get back on 421 and then Interstate 77 to head over. Well, we'll show you.
We'll be on the left. These dog hairs off of me. Got it.
So got it means if you remember back 2 episodes, we were in Tennessee. We're out here on this hike and we're having a great time. It's a beautiful place. But then now all of a sudden we're happier.
We are. We sold our old house. Yay!
That's happy dance worthy there. And you know what? Yesterday was the closing and we just picked up the check for the proceeds. Next stop,
The bank. I need to sign the check.
oh well.
First
We're gonna have
Citizens
to go
has
back
sign
to the
We'll have to go back to the
to the
lawyer.
Okay, it's a good thing that's not too far from the lawyer's office. We'll go back there, get them to sign the daggum check. That sucks. I hope they didn't skip town. Here we go. Take 2.
Take 2.
I recognize that pretty lady. Signature this time?
Got it this time. She apologized.
Well, this part is a lot more complicated than we thought it would be. I've got to go in as well, sign it like 7 different ways. Yeah.
We're happy about that.
Yeah, but it's taking us so long to do this part, we both have to use the bathroom. Luckily for us, we have a bathroom in the van. I'm not going to show you. Well, that took a little longer than we anticipated, but
The bank, back and forth.
diesel's in the truck. So we're going to head to our 3rd city today. The next stop, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, so Lynn can do part of her annual checkup there. We won't go into any more details other than that. Get to driving.
We're at our next stop. It's been a long day. I think it's going to be dark by the time we get home.
I think it is.
But it makes it, when we're traveling on the road and going on long trips, it really makes it hard to schedule your doctor's appointments or your yearly physicals or
Yeah, it
whatever.
does.
So we've been trying to take care of that. and hopefully this is the last one I have to do for this year, and we'll go in. Of course, I have to go in by myself, and Owen and Maggie gets to sit out here in the van and take it easy, maybe take a nap or something.
Hey, that's right. I can put the bed down and take a nap. See, that's another reason we love the van.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. And I was telling Lynn, you know, most guys, there's a time when you were in high school, this would have been a dream job. I don't think it is anymore, but still, we're wishing you good luck. And Maggie and I love you.
So does anyone else get really nervous when they're getting a mammogram or going to the doctor? Well, I'm sitting here waiting my turn. A little nervous. I'm glad that's over with. Not any fun at all. But they said it would be about 2 weeks before I would probably get the results back.
Okay.
So I don't know what that means for us traveling. It's hard to know what to do, isn't it?
It is.
It is. All right. I guess we will figure that out.
But Maggie's happy she's back.
Yeah.
It's good.
Maggie was like standing up. I think she's feeling better.
I hope so. So Maggie, do you feel like going for a walk?
Oh, she's feeling better.
Oh, that's so sweet. Maggie came with us today, and we actually brought the van because she's been feeling bad. She's had 2 days of not feeling very good at all. And I guess we've decided it's going to almost be dark, but the next stop is Maggie's stop. We're going to go to one of her favorite parks and let her go for a little walk. Ready to go? We'll go for a walk? We do. Okay. We made it out here to Tanglewood Park, but they have this thing called the Festival of Lights that goes on during Christmas here. And we're just not really sure if it's still going on or not. If it is, I'm betting there's going to be too big of a line for us to get in with Maggie. But we're still going to try. She's excited about it. But we're about to find out. Festival of Lights.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Manor House Creek.
I don't know. Do you want to go? You do? Well, we made it to the next destination. This has been a heck of a day. But Maggie's getting something that she really loves out of this, and she'll get some exercise too. We won't be able to stay very long, but it'll still be something she'll enjoy. How do you like Maggie's leash too? Look at this.
It's a bungee cord.
We came without a leash or a harness. Hey y'all, look at that. So, next stop.
I think we're going to go eat because we haven't eaten today.
And then we have one more stop after that.
Maybe.
Maybe. Whew, it's been a long day. Here we go. You ready? I kind of made it look like we were going to go to Arby's, but we're not. We made it to our next destination, which is dinner and a celebration of selling our house. Fan is on up above. It's December, almost January, but we're having to turn the fan on to keep Maggie cool. She's going to wait out here. We're going to go celebrate. Wait a minute, kind of like it. What you get, Maggie? Oh, steak.
Don't eat too much. Don't eat too fast. Don't eat too fast. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't eat too fast.
Good. All right. A good celebration meal.
It was awesome. We always like Carrabba's here in Winston-Salem. They're awesome.
Yeah. Well, We've now bitten off more than we can chew. Full bellies and full hearts. And next destination, I believe.
Home. We were going to go to Costco and stock up on some food, but I didn't make a list, so.
Okay, so next
We're going
stop is home. This is a typical day for us when we bring the van. It's like having your home with you no matter where you go. And you know, we always feel really happy when we're rolling around, even on day trips in the van, isn't it?
But granted, we had a little bit more, what's the right word? Chores, or not chores, but
we had a bunch of honey-do list things to do today.
well, it wasn't really a honey-do list.
It wasn't?
No.
We said, honey, let's go do this. No. We have responsibilities of things that we needed to take care of today.
Right.
And
we
they
do try to like do them all at one
right.
time.
Yeah, even if we weren't leaving to go on another trip, we'd still try to do them as close together so we're not wasting good days just running around running errands. But I guess other than the follow-up appointment, we're finished with all that for now. And
Might need to get Maggie one.
yeah, I think we are too. Never mind, we're not finished. All right, let's head home and good night's sleep. I bet Lynn doesn't make it down the road very far, and she'll be snoring over there. Maggie will be too.
Might finish this song tomorrow.
Next stop, bed.
Today's a new day. That's what I hear. Today's a new day of a brand new year. I need resolution. I need resolution to start all over in this new day of this brand new year. This is a new day. Yes, that's what I hear. I need resolution. I do. I need resolution because there's always tomorrow. I know that. You know that I work so hard but need a break every now and then. I know that. You know that it's just an excuse to keep from falling on my face again. You know that this day could be the day. But then again, there's always tomorrow. This is a new day of a brand new life. This is a new way. I'm gonna get this right. I need resolution. I always need resolution to start all over and face this new day of this brand new year. This is a new day. Let me be clear. I need resolution. I need resolution because there's always tomorrow. I know that. You know that I work so hard but need a break every now and then. I know that. You know that it's just an excuse to keep from falling on my face again. You know that this day could be the day. But then again, I got good intentions. I'm really wanna be, I really wanna be, I really wanna be, I wanna be everything that I know I can be. I really wanna see, I really wanna see, I really wanna see just what I can do if I just pay attention to this new day. That's what I hear. Today is a new day of a brand new year. I need resolution. I need resolution to start all over, and I know that you know that I work so hard but need a break every now and then. I know that you know that it's just an excuse to keep from falling on my face again. But you know that this day might be the day. But then again, I might finish this song tomorrow.
We didn't let 2021 lick us. You know, it didn't go as we planned for it to go, but it went the way we wanted it to in the end. Here's hoping that 2022 is the same way. We're going to continue to be flexible. And with that in mind, the very first plans that we made this year are going to change. We planned to head out west. But as we mentioned before, we have some reasons to stick around for medical examinations. So instead of just wasting time, we're going to head back to Florida. That doesn't mean we're tabling our plans to go out west. In fact, if things go well with our examinations, we'll leave from Florida and head out to sunny California. But if they don't, then we'll head back home. Stick around and we'll let you know which way it ends up. By the way, we're glad you're with us. Happy Tales.
And Happy New Year.